Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rajashri and today I'm going to review the Nykaa Naturals face wash. And I have a few thoughts about it. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. I guess this is the newest launch from Nykaa Naturals range and I bought it right away when it launched. I have been using this cleanser for more than a week now and I have a few thoughts about it. First of all, this is a very affordable cleanser. I guess this retails for 133 rupees. I'm not sure. Right now some offer is going on this face cleanser on Nykaa and I hope you will get this cleanser for 118 rupees. I'm not sure. I will leave the cost details in the description box. I have used this cleanser for a week now and okay, before talking too much, just watch this clip. This is the first time I'm using the Nykaa cleanser. Can you see my nose got pretty red? I'm not sure what's the reason for it, but I have never seen a cleanser changing my nose this red. Why even cleanser make your skin red? Especially nose. My cheeks and all are pretty fine, but my nose got pretty red. Strange. That clip is filmed when I used it for the first time and it did the same thing again and again and again whenever I use it. It made my nose red, not even my cheeks or forehead, it made my nose red and my skin felt very dry every time after using it. Maybe because I have dry skin, it might not suit me, but I got this neem and tea tree and neem variant just because I have acne prone skin and I thought it would work for me, but it made my skin very irritated and made my skin very dry. Even though it made my nose very red, I continued to use it once a day for a week and it did the same thing every single time. It didn't hurt, it didn't hurt obviously, but very strangely it made my nose red all the time and I guess it's not a good sign with any kind of skincare product. So I discontinued using it after using it for a while and honestly I'm not going to use it anymore because we can get much better cleansers at similar price point. For instance, you can use the Himalaya Neem face wash, which is far better than this. I guess Himalaya Neem face wash is much better formula when compared to this one. I was very excited when Nykaa launched this because this looks very similar to the Himalaya Neem face wash. I thought it might be the new competitor for the Himalaya Neem face wash just by looking the packaging and stuff, but clearly it's not. For me personally it's a pass, but I have seen good reviews on it and I haven't seen anyone facing the problem I faced personally. So this particular variant didn't work out for my skin. I don't know how it works for your skin, but personally it didn't work out for me and I wouldn't suggest this product to anyone. If you want a face wash in similar budget with similar ingredients and stuff, you can definitely check the Himalaya Neem face wash. It has better texture as well. The Himalaya Neem face wash have a jelly kind of texture, where this has a light gel kind of texture. This made my skin dry after using it every single time, but that's not the case with the Himalaya Neem face wash. Even though I have dry skin, it never made my skin dry, so I guess it's a better choice when compared to this one. I haven't tried the other variants. I guess Nykaa launched 3 variants in this face wash range, so I can't comment on the other variants as well, but I used this variant and it didn't work out for me. So yeah, I guess I will use this as my makeup brush cleanser. That's how things work with me. I don't like to waste any product, so yeah, I guess this face wash is not sulfate free. It definitely have one type of sulfate, it definitely have fragrance, so if you are not into sulfate and fragrance, I guess this is a pass for you too. And personally it didn't work out for me, so obviously it's a pass for me. So this is a quick review on the Nykaa Naturals Tea Tree and Neem face wash. Hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and if you are not following me on Instagram already, I would leave in the link. If you are not following me on Instagram already, I will leave a link in the description box. Please follow me on Instagram as well. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.